is the parking lot. All people are sleeping now, and it's a big parking yard. From there, until there, until there, until there, and truck everywhere. See?
Rose.
We just came up from the shower, and here's my husband hiding behind. See? And not only this side, there is also a parking area around at the back of this truck. See?
I think it holds 500 trucks.
Wow. Every truck stop 500.
Yeah, not all. Just this is a big one.
I can hear Poggy. He's barking. See? Now, here we have also here. This is the back. Also right there. See? Nakalaw-law. Naka-ad yung truck.